I'm Judi the organizer and creator at Rescue My Space. Welcome back to my channel. And if you are new, welcome to my channel. So today's video is a favorite type of video of mine because I was showing you guys new bins that I found on Amazon. I know, what? You're not talking about bins from the Container Store or another organizer who has products? No, Amazon. First of all, when it comes to organizing products from Amazon, I typically get like the drawer dividers, you know, that's probably it. But recently I was scrolling through Amazon and I found some beautiful, gorgeous bins that I would use in my home. And I said, you know what, Judi, you are a bin girl. You love bins. You're a little bit obsessed. A little bit. So what I did, of course, is I bought a few because, of course, your girl's obsessed. And I'm going to show you guys what they are and then show you how you can use them in your home. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. I'm doing the most. Oh, before we continue, ooh, a little belly showing. Before we continue, make sure you like this video. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe below. But you know that. You know that. I think I'm going to start with my favorite. Well, I have a few favorites, to be honest. To be honest. So the first one I'm going to mention, because she's literally right here, is this gorgeous piece. I mean, can we first take a look at her? She's gorgeous. She's gorgeous. Let's just admit it. She's gorgeous. So none of the bins on Amazon has like a name, like the Container Store bins or like IKEA bins or other bins. But this is a tote bin. I'm going to call her that. She's beautiful. I love the leather belt accent. I feel like this makes it less of a bin and more of a decor piece, which I love bins that can also act as decor pieces. Yeah, I love her. She's deep. She's a perfect size. She's about 12 inches wide, maybe 13, and about 6 inches long or deep. It depends on how you measure it. I think she is perfect for a nursery. Yes, I'm going to be using these in my nursery. These are beautiful. They go with the color scheme I have, which I will be, well, if you watched my last video, well, the video where I organized the Eggersman showroom, you saw the color scheme that I'm going with for the baby's nursery, and these will fit perfectly in the closet. I'm gonna get an Alpha system made in the closet, and this is gonna display beautifully in it. Like, look how gorgeous this is. This is perfect for like diapers. You know, you just place all your diapers inside, you grab it to go. Okay, it just became really real right now. Diapers. Whew, okay. Or anything, wipes. You can put your fruit in here. You can display this on a countertop in your kitchen. You can display this in your bathroom. Put your toilet paper in here. The options are endless. I love this piece. Again, it's more of it's not just a bin, it's also a decorative piece, which I love. And this belt is not even cheap. I mean, it's probably cheaply made, but it looks like it has been aged, like the brass part. Oh, it's beautiful. It's heavy, the belt part, but it's not a heavy bin at all, but it's a beautiful bin. And I feel like it goes beautifully in my home decor. So yeah. Oh, I cannot wait to use these. Yeah, beautiful. So, she can also be a picnic basket. Let's be real. Like, this is a picnic basket. What are we kidding? Beautiful, beautiful. So my next favorite bin is this gorgeous beauty. Oh, first of all, let's give it a moment of silence. This is gorgeous. I would call this a rattan bin, but maybe it's not. It's a basket. I think it is a piece to be reckoned with. I love her. I mean, what I love about it is it's wood. It's pretty light. It's not heavy. You know, I purchased the Neat Method bins, the wooden bins, which sit at the top of my system, and they are heavy. I mean, I love them. Gorgeous. Probably, which is why they're like 50 bucks. But yeah, like the heaviness of those is nothing like this. I mean, this is really light. I think this is perfect for literally any space. Again, the pantry, maybe not any space, but the pantry, This will be great in a large pantry. Can you imagine walking into a pantry and you see these beautiful black bins? I can. They come in they come in 3, 6, and 9, and I bought 6. I will be organizing my storage room again. I'm gonna declutter and reorganize it. If you've watched that video, it's gonna look probably the same, but just a little different. I'm gonna add these bins to it. I'm also gonna be adding a baby bin to the storage closet, so baby stuff can sit in here. But yeah, I think this is the perfect bin, again, for the pantry, for the kitchen, maybe in your cabinets, for your entertainment center if you have cabinets there. This is beautiful on display as well. I have something very similar on display right now on my TV stand, TV bookcase entertainment center. I know I just named it three ways, but this is a piece to be reckoned with. And I also have another one that's very similar to this. I'm going to show you that right now. All right, so the next bin is very similar again, and it is this one. I'm actually gonna, so it comes in two sizes, which I don't like. I hate when bins comes in 2 sizes because you have to buy a lot to get one size, and that's just inconvenient. And I like all my bins to be the same size, especially when they're sitting next to each other. I digress. Anyway, this is what it looks like. As you can see, it's a little bit smaller. Same density or heaviness. Not heavy at all. I love this combination of colors, the birch with the black. This is a force to be reckoned with type of bin. I actually wanted these to sit in my storage room, but because they come in 2 sizes, I would have had to spend a lot of money to get 5 or 6, and I was like, I'm not doing that. So I'm gonna be using this either in my new, we haven't got it built yet, but my new custom alcohol credenza, or I'll put it in or under, under an end table. Like I have an end table that has a shelf. I might put it there too. This is a bin that I'm going to have on display somewhere in my house. I feel like it goes with the decor. I'm going to be changing out, which is crazy. Actually, I get to see it together. Kind of goes. I'm going to be changing out my dining room set in hopefully a month or 2. I'm going to be taking this table downstairs, and I'm thinking of buying chairs that match this. So maybe I'll use this in that area, or I'll use this in the entertainment center we have in that room. But I love this bin because it's beautiful to look at, but it's also functional. Like it's a bin, so you can put really anything. I think it's great in a pantry, in a cabinet, just like the other Rattan bin or basket. It's great in a lot of spaces. I wouldn't use it under a sink because you don't want to get this stuff wet at all. But like those dry areas, I would use them in. I also probably would even use it in a garage, possibly, maybe not because it's wooden. We don't want bugs. Let's disregard that. But I think it will be great really in any space, even in an office. It's a great size for paper. It's a great size for all of your like inventory or just your supplies. And again, because it's so beautiful to look at, I feel like it'll be great on display. So I love her. She's so great. And this is the other size if you want to see the comparison. So it's really, it's much smaller. I think this is great for on top of the toilet. It's small enough for it. You can fit maybe 2 rolls in here, and it'll probably look good in my powder room. I don't know, I'll see. But yeah, they come like this. Yeah, so the next bin I purchased from Amazon is, I gotta bend down a little bit, this beautiful bamboo bin. She's beautiful. It's a paneled bin. So each individual, you can actually kind of shake it. But I think this is an amazing bin for a pantry. The moment I saw it, I was like, pantry for sure. Or like a storage room that either works as like a pantry or works as like your utility room. That's what I'm trying to say. I think this will also look great in a closet. If you're going for like the more natural look, I think this is a great bin for the closet. It's super like sturdy. It's not as rough as the other Rattan bins. It's smoother, and I feel like with the smooth and soft edges, it'll work really well in a bedroom. I think it's great. I think it's great in a closet. I think it's great in a pantry. You can wipe down any spills because it isn't as coarse as the other wood. And yeah, a great bin. I love the color. I Trying to see if it has a name. It does not have a name, but we're just gonna stick with bamboo bin. This is her. We got 3 more. The next bin that I purchased from Amazon is a little different from what you're used to me getting. Is this one. First of all, look at the color. This is what drew me to this. I love a green, anything. Well, this color green, and this is her. She came in a set of 4. I think it's 4 or 6. I do have something in it I'm trying to shape it a little bit to see what it looks like once it's shaped. But they are foldable. You can put them away with ease, which I do love. So if I'm not using it, I can put it away. I'm also thinking of using this in the nursery for those items that I may not want to fold, but I want to bend them up. I like her. She's simple. There's, handles. And yeah, I wanted to make sure that I was gonna say my collection, not yet, but in my selection, there were different type of bins. So I think this is great, really inexpensive for 4. So I would definitely recommend this for like those cube type of storage systems because they fit perfectly in a cube wide width or widthwise, not so lengthwise, but widthwise. And I also think this is great for a kid's room. It's soft enough, it's delicate enough for it to fall on the floor and not break. And even if it were to fall on the child, hopefully it doesn't, they won't be harmed because it's cloth and it's like really like bendable, it's not gonna really harm them. So yeah, I think that's why I got it and I really love it. Y'all know it's hard for me to get anything color. Well, actually I've opened up to color, so never mind. My favorite colors outside of black and white, which aren't colors, are green, blue, and brown, which is crazy. I used to not be a brown girl. But brown, like different variations of brown, but not like brown to wear, like brown, like natural, neutral colors. I don't know why I over-explained that, but you guys get it. Another cloth band that I purchased is this one over here. She's also bendable or adjustable. There is like a metal rod in here, but she's great. I love the size of this. I think there's nothing in it. So once it's full and it's kind of shaped out or found a shape, this will be a perfect bin for, again, a kid's room. It's cloth. I love a cloth bin for a kid's room. I think it is soft for a kid's room. It's not too hard like the Rattan bins, you know what I'm saying? Like it's a great bin for spaces like that, even for an adult bedroom or adult closet. I love using cloth bins in closets. I love using harder bins, but cloth bins always keep the softness of a closet because clothes are in there, But it also has shape to it, which is why I like this a lot. I love cloth bins with shape. Like some cloth bins have no shape and it's poorly created and you can tell, but this one I really like because you can tell there was some effort put into it. There's quality in this. It comes in a pack of 4, I think. 4 or 6, I don't know, I keep getting these numbers wrong. Of course, everything is below or on the screen. And it's also at a great price. So I think this is definitely a bin, again, for closets, for children's rooms, and also for nurseries as well, because again, it's soft. It makes sense. I love it. And of course, the colors, duh. And the last bin that I purchased from Amazon that I'm obsessed with is this one. Oh, bam. I love the color of this. It's a mahogany color. It looks like you're in the forest. When you look at it, you're like, where am I in the forest? You're not. No, you're not. I think it is gorgeous. The only thing is, it is not wood at all. I think it's like a really heavy cardboard and it's wrapped in like maybe vinyl of some sort. And I think the same with the basket or the tote. It's wrapped in or wrapped with like a vinyl, a very sturdy vinyl. So I would hope that it's durable. Maybe it is. I would assume so. You're not going to be throwing this around or using this in a very heated space. So I think it will work. I would not use this in a pantry. Nope. I wouldn't use this in any like moisture-filled space. I would use it in a closet. I think it would be great in a closet actually this would be great in a masculine closet. Not a man closet, masculine closet, a dark closet with attitude and mood. This will be actually really beautiful in that as I look at it again. Oh yeah, this, ooh. I'm gonna give these to Tony whenever I ever do his closet. I wish I would have done it a long time ago, but I still haven't. But I think it's beautiful. It would be beautiful in like a very masculine closet where the tones are very brown, dark, musky, if you will. I love this for that. It's a great bin. It's huge. It came in a pack of 2 and it was huge. I wasn't expecting it to be this big, even though I looked at the dimensions, but it's really big and I think it works. Like, it works for a lot of spaces and it's great for a lot of things. Like, you can put your scarves in here. You can put your socks in here if you don't have drawers. You can put your bras in here. You can put a lot of soft items in here. I would suggest soft and not hard because, again, this is, I mean, I'm sure it's durable, but it's vinyl, maybe. I could be wrong. Maybe it's not vinyl, but it's definitely not wood. But it's vinyl for sure. And that's it. So that's it, guys. These are beautiful bins I found on Amazon. I think they go for a great price, especially for multiples. They are super functional. You can use them all around your home and they're so beautiful to look at. You guys know how obsessed I am with bins. So when I come across a functional and beautiful or an aesthetically pleasing bin, I definitely have to show you guys what they are, and budget friendly. I cannot wait to show you guys how I use them. I will be using the black ones very soon in my storage room. And of course, I'm gonna be taking you guys along the ride as I reorganize and declutter that space. So let me know in the comment section below your favorite bin and let me know if you already have any of them and how you're using them. So as always, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And thank you so very much for watching this video. And as always, I'll see you soon. Bye. You already know the drill by now. I'm gonna show you guys my belly bump. Let's see what she looks like. Belly bump, that is. Ooh, I'm wearing a crop top today. Hello. Anyway, this is what the belly looks like. Baby is growing. I finally hit 7 months. So this is what 7 months looks on me. Baby's growing. I just took my glucose test. Everything is normal, thank goodness. So very grateful, but belly is growing. I feel like by the end, my belly would probably be out to here. Maybe out to here, which is kind of terrifying, but this is what it is today, and whew, and I'm loving it. Still very nauseous, by the way. Okay.